Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome again to the beautiful city of Hat Yai. For the final day of this trip, there was still that one more place that I had told her about. I showed her the photos on Google Maps and she just could not forget. Before we leave, Joel, we have to have that roast duck. So we are here, even though it is right in the middle of two very special holidays, special times, Songkran for Thailand and Ramadan for Muslim people all over the world. They are still open. They're very much open. The ducks are just flying around behind me. Thanks for hanging out with us today. The final day in Hat Yai. Yo! So Pet Yang Kleur Halal is the name of this place. It looks like they have a few locations, maybe only one here in Hat Yai. It's a very simple setup. They give you sticky rice and they give you the whole duck. They also have chickens, but the duck is the specialty. Okay, so I just checked the temperature. It's 42, so 108 Fahrenheit. And there are charcoals behind me, so right here it must be like 50. Whew. But we know we're in for something good. As I get closer, I'm laughing. The ducks are not all spinning at the same speed. I like the setup. It's on a chain, almost like a motorbike engine that's been repurposed. Okay, so I love that answer he just gave me. I said, why are these moving at 2 or 3 times the speed of these ones? He said, oh, we wanted to kind of increase the number of ducks we could handle, so we asked another mechanic to just build another grill for us, and the gear ratio that he used was just much smaller than these ones. I dig it. But I love that answer. He's like, oh, I don't know, just the mechanic did it that way. It's so cool how it looks so homemade. I love it. I see over there's a picture of fish. Today they have no fish. I think they do have some chickens, but we are here for that duck. You can buy a half duck, you can buy a whole, you can buy just the wings or just the neck. The chickens are up to 180 baht and the ducks are up to 350 baht. So the ducks are double the price. And that's it. It's just sticky rice and duck meat. Okay, so because I love that idea of the turmeric chicken, we've decided to go for a 1/2 duck, 1/2 chicken, and then Lee loves the duck neck. So we'll get a bonus order of that. Okay, ขอเป็ดครึ่งตัว1นะครับแล้วก็ไก่ครึ่งตัวอีกอันหนึ่งแล้วก็คอเป็ดเป็นชิ้นหนึ่งครับแต่ไม่สับได้ไหมได้คอเป็ดไม่สับนะครับ
Sound right, boy. $90 อันนี้200
มากขอบคุณครับเราไปนั่งกินตรงนั้นได้ไหมครับว้าว
ข้าวเหนียวไหมครับ
no ไม่เป็นไรครับไม่เป็นไร This is awesome. Look at that. I still have some snacks in my hand because we made a trip to the border this morning. Motorbike is here. We just got to taste this straight away. Oh man. Hey, this table is nice and clean actually. So in Isan, what I know is putting a mat on the floor, you say bu sura, which is putting a special mat on the floor and then you lay out the food, everyone sits. We've made a picnic video like that before. Also though, for elderly people who might have a hard time sitting cross-legged, you might have a raised platform like this. So you do sit, it's not really a table. This is for sitting, but you can also sit and have food. We have in each bag, we've got a spicy, probably spicy and salty. And then here you've got a spicy and sour. Oh, that is the chicken. Oh man. Look at the skin, look at the texture, look at the juiciness. Hey, I'm going in first touch, I burned my hand and Lee said, what are you doing? Just go for the wing, then you can hold it. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, the chicken. Yeah, it is really, really hot. Pepper, black pepper. Cloves of black pepper. The whole cumin seeds. I love that. Oh, so juicy, but I love the marinade, man. Yes, it is a little sweet, but it's so herbal. Can you just hear how the chicken meat just snaps? Oh, dude, they're killing it. I was just talking about how we've been eating a little too much meat for my liking, but I have to say, the quality of the meat down here, also what they do with the meat, it honestly blows the rest of Thailand away. I appreciate all the blends, all the freshness, all the herbaceousness in the north especially. It is amazing and it's very healthy. But just in terms of grilled meat, cooking meat, the south is on fire, absolutely. This is amazing. After enough time down here though, I wonder if I should start weightlifting instead of cycling because it is heavy. Okay, Lee, I think you gotta, whew, it's still really hot. Oh man. Yes. Wow, it's like night and day. This is like yellow, almost like somehow cheerful, and the duck is like brooding. It's like purpley red, brown, looks gorgeous though, in its totally own way. It is not like not so glistening. Oh, the skin is nice and soft. But that meat, it almost has like a jerky aspect to it. Wow, so that slow charcoal heat, the smoke. Oh man. I just can't even say anything. It's just experiential. It's not even just flavor, it's just rich. It's just rich. Comfort. Yeah, that's what it is. That's what the flavor of that duck is. Comfort. The subtle sweetness of the fat. And then just the warmth. The duck is so rich. Duck meat just so nicely chewy. That skin is so soft. Oh man. Okay. The chicken is really, really good, but the duck is just like, almost like guilty. It's so, so tasty. Yeah. I do feel guilty eating something that's this so fatty and so delicious. I can't wait. I can't wait until you try it. Okay, just let me finish this piece. I'm sorry, everyone. Words fail me. This duck is incredible. I'm not a barbecue expert, but Thailand does love their grilled chickens. Gai yang. Eat it with som tam. It is a dish eaten by millions of people every single day, especially in the part of Thailand that I love. Leads it, come here. You're gonna go crazy with this. Come here. And you've been waiting years for this. You are gonna love it. Okay. Sticky fingers. Oh man, this is great. This is so great. Wow, so that is the first thing you're going for, the neck. Okay, let me cheers you then with the
I said, can you cut a neck for me?
That's how you eat duck in China too. When you would get me to take you for a duck, you would have these.
The cut, but
They give you a plastic bag
Wow.
for your hands. I'll stop talking.
the smoky and so crunch
It is next level,
and the
dude.
soft, like so solid.
Oh man. Dude, that skin, right? Blown away.
One bite.
Yes, please. The neck.
It's so crunchy.
That's better. You're right. Because it's all skin and fat. There's almost no meat on the neck. But
Me.
as far as flavor per square centimeter, oh, that's way. It's even better than this. Wow.
The one is 绝味鸭脖 only the neck are expensive.
Oh, dude, that's absurd.
What is this?
Does this remind you of the Omkwai video we made last month? Sitting at the bus stop. It's only the smartest dogs that come hang out here, waiting for leftovers at this market. You've got to be kidding. Oh, and
Here's the bag.
there's one right now.
Don't see and which one. Here's the bag. Here.
You take it.
You that one, but I said that. Here.
So right near the head.
Here. Here.
Why is it the best?
You will know. Did you eat that?
Very crunchy, super crispy. So thin. Oh, okay, that's why.
Even the flavor is different.
Dude, that is a ridiculously good bit of enjoyment right there. I love the whole situation of this place. The young guy just smiling at us. What are these guys doing? And then the other guy, he's like, oh, I know you from TikTok. He said, you were the one that was just eating the goat curry that's over there on the highway. Yep, that was us. They're so cool. They came out to take a photo as well. Man, I really love this marinade on the chicken. You see how they, obviously, he was just like dunking the entire chicken at one time into the marinade, just a huge bag full of
Now-
turmeric, obviously.
And to the end. Did you ever eat a duck head?
Only duck tongue with you. The duck tongue, but I think they call duck tongue, but it's actually the whole duck mouth,
No.
back bit.
But only but This is also the first time I eat a duck head in front of camera.
Oh, okay. Thank you for doing that. Caleb, Brock, where are you guys? We need your help. The duck is just seducing us. It's so good, dude. Oh, it wants us to eat it all. You know what? The storm is brewing. The duck, though, is so good. I don't even mind that we did not even try the sauces. Honestly, I didn't even think of the sauces. So now that I'm packing up the duck to go because we're running from the storm, you just see it's just a wall of black clouds right there. Now that we're packing up the duck, I didn't even realize. I don't even care about those sauces. The duck is so good on its own. Even the chicken is so good on its own. It has been a magnificent trip. We've had so much fun. The time in Surat, I knew was going to be cool. I didn't expect we would meet so much beautiful Chinese influence downtown. Then Koh Samui, I also did not expect how fun it would be. Moving to Phuket, what do you think? Just the beauty. I was just like moved by the beauty. The beaches, even with tourists, I mean, it hasn't come back to normal, you can't say that, but it's definitely, there's a lot of action happening in Phuket. I could not believe the beauty of that island. Really blew me away, finally coming to Hat Yai. The mix of culture, I knew it was here. I knew it was a great city for food, but I think it may even have risen to be number one. Now, I would say Hat Yai is the number one for pure food tourism. Bangkok is kind of an asterisk because it's such a big city. It does have so much diversity, but I would say outside of Bangkok, how about that? For just one city you can pick, I would say Hat Yai is the most fun, the most diverse, the most beautiful food, the most easily approachable as well. It is just glorious. I've had a great time. This has been a 3-week trip, a lot of fun, Today is the final day, so hope you're all doing very well. Today was a short video, but a good final flavor down here in the deep south of Thailand. Hope these videos excite you, maybe even in your own home country, just like for Lee and I, Thailand is our home. Just in your home country, I hope it excites you, moves you to maybe take a local trip and find some flavors that you did not expect, enjoy them, share them with us. Leave a comment down below and we will see you for the next video. Maybe even hope to see you on a live stream before that. Who knows? Anyways, for now, bye from both of us. We're gonna run from the storm clouds right now. See you soon. Much love.
ชอบมากค่ะ ชอบแบบครัวอร่อยมากคอ
อ๋อโอเคได้กินคู่กับน้ำจิ้มไหมเป็ดย่าง
ยังไม่ใช้กับน้ำจิ้มอร่อยมากแล้วค่ะอร่อยมากแล้ว
ถ้าเกิดว่ากินกับน้ำจิ้มนี่อร่อยมากไป
ชอบอันไหนมากกว่าสีแดงหรือสีเขียว
เป็ดเหรอคะหรือว่า
น้ำจิ้ม
อ๋อน้ำจิ้มส่วนมากน้ำจิ้มสีแดงจะเป็นซิกเนเจอร์เลยลูกค้าจะชอบมาก
โอเค
ขอบคุณมากค่ะ
เรากลัวว่า
อ๋อฝน
กลัวฝนตก
เดี๋ยวรบกวนขอภาพของที่ร้านได้ไหมคะถ่ายหน้าร้าน
โอเคค่ะ
ได้เก็บไว้